Hi, my name is Cody Holmes, and this will be my fourth new technology. I'm going to be discussing citationmachine.com, and if you have not heard of this, you are in for a treat. So, citationmachine.com, what's its purpose and objective? Well, it's to easily cite researched sources, and it also helps properly format citations needed for projects. It makes it so easy if you've never used it before. You need to try it, especially for classes like these where you cite very often for many assignments. So the targeted audience would be for students. Some of the standards that go with citationmachine.com have to do with research, so I included those here, S.3a and S.3b, and I will give you some time to look over these now. Okay, I am going to show you what citationmachine.com really looks like and what it can do. So here's what it will look like when you type in citationmachine.net, and you can go to create citations. Of course, we most often use APA in our college classes. I know in high school we were taught to use MLA, so it has all of these different options. I'm going to go ahead and go to APA. Okay, and you have some different options up here of things you may need to cite: books, magazines, newspapers, websites, journals. I'm going to go ahead and go to website. And with my classes in fourth grade, we were learning and researching about chocolate a couple weeks ago. So I'm going to go to a website that gave some chocolate facts. Okay. And I pulled a specific quote off of this website, so I need to cite it. So I'm going to copy and paste the link and paste that here. And so here's the magic. I'm going to go to search websites, and it found that website. So I'm going to select it. And here's all the information this citation machine was able to find. So let's go to final step. Okay, I'm going to make sure all this information is correct. So it got the title, it even found the author for me, it got the URL, it found the publishing date for me, and I'm going to go ahead and click today that I accessed it, and I'm going to just go to create citation. And look right here, it created it exactly how I need it. So I would go to copy, and now it would be ready to paste onto whatever document I'm working with. Easy. And especially for those of you in this class right now, if you have never used Citation Machine, you need to do it. Thank you.